Today we're going to cover everything you need to know to successfully prepare for your theory test.
We'll go over what the theory test is, why it's important, its structure, the scoring requirements, and some key tips to help you revise.
Before we get started, make sure to subscribe so you can get notified when we post a new video.
So what is the theory test? It's a mandatory test for learner drivers that evaluates your knowledge of road rules, hazard perception and road signs. It consists of two parts, multiple choice questions and a hazard perception test.
So why is it important? Passing your theory test is essential to show your understanding of road safety and the highway code, ensuring that you're ready to move on to the practical driving test.
Okay, so how is it structured? It's split into two parts. The first part is a multiple choice questionnaire. It's got 50 questions and you need to answer 43 out of those correctly in order to pass. The second part is a hazard perception, which consists of 14 clips with at least one developing hazard within them. And you need to score at least 44 out of 75 to pass. And you need to pass both parts in order to pass your theory test.
So how do you go about booking your theory test? You can book your theory test directly through the government website and it will cost you £23. Just make sure you have your provisional licence and your payment details ready to hand.
So how should you prepare for the theory test? Well, we know there's a lot to cover in your theory test, but don't worry because our 4-in-1 theory app has everything you need all in one place to ace your test.
Inside the app you'll find the highway code, over 700 official DVSA revision questions, unlimited mock tests, 85 hazard perception clips, all UK road signs and smart AI features, plus so much more.
Okay, on to the revision tips. Set a study schedule and allow yourself plenty of time. Revise in bite-sized chunks and take lots of breaks to avoid cramming. Take loads of mock tests so that you can become familiar with the format. Focus on areas where you've had lower scores so you can strengthen your weak points. And finally, stay calm, make sure you're rested and be confident on test day.
So as you can see, preparation is key to passing your theory test. With the right resources, structured revision and confidence, you'll be able to ace your theory test and be ready to move on to your practical test.
Make sure you subscribe for plenty more videos like this and give us a follow on TikTok for your daily videos.
Good luck!
Excuse me. I'm going to say something.
I'm going to say something and then it's something where you're like, excuse me.
And a hazard perception test.
Why am I going like this?
Good luck. Oh.
Good luck. Oh.
Good luck.
All we need to say is good luck.
Good luck.